In many cases, we misplace our phones, or our phone battery dies, or we drop it in a river, or our dog eats it. Whatever the story is, our phone's not with us, and we try to get home and our bike is locked. So this sounds like a serious problem, and we know it is, so we focused a lot of our energy on something we call a phoneless access code. So this phoneless access code is a code that you create and enter the first time you pair your device with the LINKA app. It's a 4-digit code, very similar to the ATM code, and you remember that code for later, just when the situation happens. So in that situation, we are going to demonstrate that now by turning the Bluetooth off on the app. That indicates that the device is not connectable. You can tell by, if I try to lock it, it won't lock. So we're going to enter phoneless access code by holding down the power button for 6 seconds. We'll see the LED start blinking pink. The minute it does that, now I can enter that 4-digit passcode. And in this case, it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Now our device starts to lock or unlock.